Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aptitude and Math Made Easy. First of all, thank you for your support and love for my last video. Hope you all understand very well about quantitative aptitude as I was explained in last video. And some of our friends told me that explain in Telugu also. For that I have decided to teach in bilingual languages, that is in Telugu and English also. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the topic name percentage. So the topic percentage is very important in arithmetic. So why I am saying very important means the application of percentage is we are going to use in all the other topics in arithmetic, that is whether it is profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, time and work, time speed distance and data interpretation, etc. So that is what percentage are very important in arithmetic. Okay, so come to our topic percentage. What is meant by percentage? So the name itself only, per means what? Per every, per means per every or each, per every or each. Cent means what? 100. Cent means 100. So it means per every 100. Per every 100. So percentage means what? Per every 100. So simple meaning is how much per 100. How many per 100. So that is what percentage. In Telugu, vandaki enni. That's it. That is what percentage. Okay. So if someone asks what is your percentage in your graduation, so 82 percentage. So it means 82 per 100. So per every 100 I got 82 marks in my graduation. Okay, so if someone asks what is your percentage in your intermediate, so 93.5 percentage. So it means what? 93.5 by 100. So it means per every 100 I got 93.5 marks. Okay, so per every 100 is what? Percentage. Okay, the simple meaning of percentage is what? So in denominator is 100, so numerator is percentage. That's it. Okay, so అన్ని ఎగ్జామ్స్ కూడా 100కి ఉండవు. Yes, so in some exams are out of 25, some exams like out of 50, some exams like out of 60 or 80. So if a person got 20 marks out of 25, so what is his percentage? Okay, so 25 ki 20 అన్నప్పుడు 50 ki 40, 100 ki 80. So 80 per 100. Okay, so it is what? 80 percentage. So it is what? 80 percentage. Okay, so see here, if you want to convert fraction into percentage, if you want to convert fraction into percentage, just multiply with 100. Multiply with 100. That's it. If you want to convert fraction into percentage, multiply with 100. See here. So before 20 out of 25 na. See here. So multiply with 100. 25 ones are 25 fours are. So 20 into 4, 80 and keep percentage. So it is what? 80 percentage. Okay. So if you want to convert percentage into fractions, if you want to convert percentage into fraction, just divide by 100. Just divide by 100. That's it. See here. So 80 percentage. 80 percentage. If you want to convert into fraction, so divide by 100. Okay. So see here. 4 20s are 4 25. So 20 by 25. See here. The fraction value converts into percentage, converts into fraction. So if you want to do again simplify, see here 5 4s are 5 5s are. So 4 by 5 is a simplification form of 20 by 25. Okay, so see here fraction నుండి percentage కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే 100తో మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, అండ్ పర్సెంటేజ్ నుండి ఫ్రాక్షన్కి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే 100తో డివైడ్ చేయండి. సో దట్స్ ఇట్. So we should know some of basic percentages. For that I am taking a number 480. Okay, so what is 100% of 480? So we should know 100% equals to total. So we should remember 100% equals to total. Okay, so what is 100% of this board? This board total only. Yes, what is 100% of this marker? Total this marker. Okay, so 100% equals to what? Total. And then 100% of 480. 100% of 480 only. Okay, then what is the value of 50%? So 50% means half. Okay, so 480 of 240. Okay, then so these are the basic values of percentages. So 10%. So what is the value of 10%? So the normal calculation of 10% is 10% of 480. So 10% means 10 by 100. Half means multiplication into 480. So 2 zeros cancel. So 10% means what? 48. Okay, so this will take minimum 1 minute of time. Okay, so we no need to calculate this total. Okay, see here. So 480. So you should know 10%, value of 10%. So starting from right hand side, move one digit and keep a decimal point. So it is what? 10%. So 48.0 means after decimal point 0 have no value. Okay, so 48. So 10% equals to what? 48. Then what is the value of 1%? 1%. Okay, see here. In the same way, starting from right hand side, move 2 digits and keep a decimal point. So it is 1%, 4.80 or 4.8. So 4.80. Okay, so once again, so what is the value of 10% means taking from right hand side, move one digit and keep a decimal point. So it is what? 10%. So in the same way, for 1%, starting from right hand side, move 2 digits and keep a decimal point. So it is what? 1%. Okay, then again, so what is the value of 5%? So 5%. Okay, see here, 10% equals to 48, then 5% means half of 10% na? It means half of 48 na? So 5% means 24. Okay, then here what is the value of 60%? So this 100%, 50%, 10%, 1% and 5%. So you should remember these 5 percentage values. You can calculate further percentages also. Okay, see here 60% means 6 into 10%. You can calculate 6 into 48, or otherwise you can write easily 50% plus 10%. So 50 plus 10, 60. So 50% means 240 and 10% means 48. So 240 plus 48 means what? 288. Okay, then what is the value of 40%? 40% means what? You can calculate 4 into 10% or 50% minus 10%. So 50% means 240 and 10% means 48. So 240 minus 48 is what? 192. Okay, then what is the value of 90%? So in the same way 90% means what? 100% minus 10% equals to 90%. So 100% equals to 480 and 10% means 48. So 480 minus 48 means what? 432. Okay, then what is the value of 110%? So 110% means what? 100% plus 10%. Okay, so 100 plus 10, 100 and plus 10, 480 plus 48. It means what? 528. 528. Okay, then what is the value of 150%? 150% is what? 100% plus 50%. Yes, so 100% means 48, 480 and 50% means 240. 480 plus 240 means what? 720. Okay, then what is the value of 200%? 200% means what? 100% plus 100%. So 200%. So 2 into 100% or 100% plus 100%. So 480 plus 480 is what? 960. Okay, so these are the basic values: 100%, 50%, 10%, 1%, 5%. If you know these basic values, you can calculate these all values. Okay, so you may have doubt what is 16.66%, 27.27%, 41.66% and 91.66%. Okay, so those values are very easily I will explain now. Okay, so you should know basic values. You should remember basic values. You can calculate decimal values also. Okay, see here in percentage, 100% equals to 100% is equals to 100 by 100. 100% equals to what? 100 by 100. Yes, 100 ones are 100 ones are, it means 1 by 1 equals to 1. Yes, so what is the value of 200%? 200 by 100. 100 ones are 100 twos are. So 2 by 1 equal to 2. So what is the percentage of 300%? So 300% means what? 3. 400% means what? 4. Okay, so see here, then so 1 by 1 1 by 1 equals to 100%. Then 1 by 2 equals to 50%. So I am dividing by 2. Okay, then 1 by 3 equals to 100 by 3. 100 by 3 equal to 33.33%. Okay, then 1 by 4. 1 by 4 equals to 100 by 4. I am dividing 4 by 100. Okay, so 25%. Then next 1 by 5 means 100 by 5 equals to 20%. Then next 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 means here 1 by 3 by 2 or otherwise 100 by 6. Same. So 33.33% by 2 means 16.66%. Okay. Then so 1 by 7. So 1 by 7 is a special case. I will explain you later. Okay. Then 1 by 8. 1 by 8 means what? 1 by 4 by 2. So 25% by 2 means 12.5%. Okay. Then 1 by 9. So 1 by 9 means 11.11%. Okay. Then 1 by 10 equals to 10%. All of you know this value. 1 by 10 equal to 10%. Then 1 by 11 equal to 9.09%. Okay. So here 1 by 9 equal to 11.11% and 1 by 11 equals to 9.09%. Okay. So these two has a relation. So next 1 by 12. So 1 by 12 means what? 1 by 6 equal to 16.66%. 1 by 12 means 1 by 6 by 2. 16.66% by 2 means 8.33%. 8.33%. Okay. Then see here. Here no values of 16 point means 66.66%, 27.27%, 87.5%. Okay, so those values are multiples of these fractions. Okay, see here 1 by 3 next multiple is what? 2 by 3 into 2. 33.33% into 2 is what? So 2 by 3 equals to what? 2 into 33.33%. It is 66.66%. Okay, then 3 by 3 means 1 means 100%. Okay, then next 1 by 4. 1 by 4 equal to 25%. Then 2 by 4 is 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 only. Okay, then 3 by 4. Yes, 3 by 4 you should remember 3 by 4. 3 into 25%. It is a multiple of 1 by 4. 3 into 25% means 75%. Okay, then next 1 by 5. 1 by 5 equal to 20%. Okay, then next 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is what? 40%. Multiply with 20. Okay, so 40%. Next 3 by 5 equal to 60%. 4 by 5 equals to what? 80%. Like that. Okay, then 1 by 6 equal to 16.66%. Next multiples 2 by 6. So 2 by 6 means what? 2 ones are 2 3s are. So 1 by 3 only. 1 by 3 equal to 33.33%. So no need to remember. Then 3 by 6. 3 by 6 means 3 ones are 3 2s are. So 1 by 2 only. 50%. Then next 4 by 6. 4 by 6 means was 2 2s are 2 3s. It 2 by 3 only. 66.66%. Then next 5 by 6. So you should remember 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 means what? 5 into 16.66%. Okay, see 5 into 16, 80 and 5 into 0.66 equals to 83.33%. So 83.33%. Then next 1 by 7 as I was explained, I will explain later. So 1 by 8 equal to 12.5%. Okay, then 2 by 8. 2 by 8 means what? 2 ones are 2 4s are 1 by 4 again 25% only. Okay, then next 3 by 8. So you should remember 3 by 8. See here 3 by 8 means what? Multiply with 2. 3 into 12 36 and 3 into 0.5 1.5. So 37.5%. 37.5%. Okay, then 4 by 8. 4 by 8 is what? 1 by 2 only. Okay, then next 5 by 8. So you should remember 5 by 8. The value of 5 by 8 is 5 into 12.5%. Okay, 5 into 12 60 and 5 into 0.5 2.5. So 62.5%. Okay, next 6 by 8. 6 by 8 means what? 2 3s are 2 4s are 3 by 4. It is 75% only. Okay, then next 7 by 8. 7 by 8. So value of 7 by 8 is what? 7 into 12.5. Okay, so 7 into 12 84 and 7 into 0.5 3.5. So 7 by 8 means what? 87.5 percentage. Okay, then next 1 by 9. 1 by 9 means what? 11.11 percentage. So 2 by 9 equals to 22.22 percentage. 3 by 9 equals to 33.33 percentage. See here. So when 11 multiples are in percentages, then it is a fraction multiple of 1 by 9. Okay, see here, 11.11% means 1 by 9, 22.22% means 2 by 9, 33.33% means 3 by 9, 44.44% means 4 by 9. Okay, so 88.88% means 8 by 9, like that. Okay, then 1 by 10, 1 by 10 equal to 10%, then 2 by 10 equals to 20%, 3 by 10 equals to 30%. So 4 by 10 equal to 40%. So this is very easy, no need to remember. Okay, then 1 by 9 equal to 9.09, 2 by 11 equal to 18.18 percentage. Okay, 3 by 11 equal to 27.27 percentage. Then 4 by 11 equals to 36.36 percentage. So how I am writing, see here. So when 9 multiples are in fractions, so it is a multiple of 1 by 11 fraction. Okay, see here, 2 by 11 18.18 percentage. So see here, observe this 1 by 11 and 1 by 9. Okay, see 1 by 9, if 11.11%, 11 multiples are in percentages, so it is a 1 by 9 multiples. Okay, these are 1 by 9 multiples. Okay, then if 9 multiples are in percentages, then it is 1 by 11 fraction values. Okay, so if 1 by 9 it is 11.11, if 1 by 11 it is 9.09 percentage. Okay, so this is no need to remember. So 1 by 9 equal to 11.11%, 1 by 11 equal to 9.09%. Okay, so see here, next 1 by 12. So 1 by 12 equal to 8.33 percentage. Then 2 by 12. 2 by 12 means 1 by 6. 1 by 6 equals to 16.66% only. Okay. Then 3 by 12. 3 by 12 means what? 3 ones are, 3 fours are. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 again 25% only. Okay. Then 5 by 12. Yes. 5 by 12. You should remember. 5 into 8.33 percentage. Okay. 5 into 8 what? 40 and 5 into 0.33 equal to 1.66 percentage. So 41.66 percentage. Okay, then 6 by 12. 6 by 12 means 1 by 2 only. Then 7 by 12. 7 by 12. 7 by 12 means what? 7 into 8.33 percentage. So 7 into 8, 56 and 7.33 equals to 2.33. Then 7 by 12 means what? 58.33 percentage. Okay, then 8 by 12. 8 by 12 means what? 4 2s are 4 3s are 2 by 3. It again 66.66% only. 9 by 12. 9 by 12 means what? 3 3s are 3 4s are 3 by 4 75% only. Then 8 by 12, 10 by 12. 10 by 12 means 2 5s are 2 6s are. So 5 by 6 it again 83.33%. Then next 11 by 12. 11 by 12 means what? 11 into 8.33 percentage. Okay. Then the value of 11 by 12 equal 91.66 percentage. So you should remember these values. Okay. Then lastly 1 by 7. So this is a special case, 1 by 7. So see here how I am writing. 1 by 7 means what? 14.257 percentage. 2 by 7 means 28.5714 percentage. 3 by 7 means 42.8571 percentage. 4 by 7 means 57.1428 percentage, and 5 by 7 means 71.4285 percentage. Then 6 by 7 equals to 85.7142 percentage. So see here, I am writing here after decimal 4 digits. So why I am writing is, see, observe here all the fractional values. See, 142857, 142857, 142857. See here, the trick is here. So you should remember 14287. So if 14287 percentage is in percentage, so it is the fractional value of 1 by 7. Okay, see here, after 2 digits, so 1 is a lowest number of all this 14287. So starting with 14.2857. So after 2 digits keep a decimal point. Okay, then 2 by 7 means next highest number. 1 next highest number is what? 2. So 28.5714 percentage. Then 3 by 7. So 2 next highest number is what? 2 next highest number? 4. Okay, so 4 after digit 42. So 42.8571 percentage. Okay, so next 4 by 7. Next 4 next highest number is 5. So 57.1428 percent. Okay, then 5 by 7. So 5 next highest number is what? 7. So 7 means 71.4285 percentage. Okay, then 6 by 7. So after 7, so 8 is the highest number, 85.7142 percentage. So it is a rotating matter. Okay, so these are the values you should remember. 1 by 7 equal to 142857, 142857. Okay, so you should remember almost 18 to 20 fractional and percentages values. So see here, 1 by 2 50%, and 1 by 3 equal to 33.33%, and 2 by 3 equals to 66.66 percentage, and 1 by 4 equal to 25 percentage, 3 by 4 75 percentage, 1 by 5 equal to 20%. If you know 1 by 5 equal to 20%, you can calculate 2 by 5 40%, 3 by 5 60%, 4 by 5 80%, like that. Okay, then 1 by 6 equal to 16.66 percentage, and 5 by 6 equal to 83.33 percentage, and 1 by 8 equal to 12.5 percentage, then 3 by 8 equal to 37.5 percentage, then 5 by 8 equals to 62.5 percentage, then 7 by 8 equals to 87.5 percentage. Then here 1 by 9 and 1 by 11, you should remember 1 by 9 equal to 11.5% and 1 by 11 equal to 9.09%. Okay, then 1 by 10, you can remember 1 by 10 equal to 10%. Then 1 by 12, so you should remember 1 by 12 equal to 8.33 percentage. Okay, then 5 by 12 equal to 41.66 percentage, then 7 by 12 equals to 58.33 percentage, and 11 by 12 equals to 91.66 percentage. And come to the here 1 by 7. So 1 by 7 equal to 142857. So if you remember 142857, you can remember 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7. Okay, then some more values you should remember after 1 by 12. Just so those are 1 by 13, 1 by 14, 1 by 15, like that. So 1 by 13 equals to 7.69 percentage, and 1 by 14 equals to 7.14 percentage. Okay, then 1 by 15 equals to 6.66 percentage, then 1 by 16 equals to 6.25 percentage. Okay, so 1 by 8 equals to 12.5%, then 1 by 16 equals to 1 by 8 by 2, so 12.5% by 2, 6.25 percentage. Okay, then 1 by 17, 18, 19, so this is no need. Then 1 by 20 equals to 5% and 1 by 25 equals to 4%. Okay, so you should remember almost 20 to 20 fractional values, 20 to 22 fractional values. Okay, so if you think this video helpful to you, so if your friends or family members who are going to prepare competitive examinations, just share them. Thank you.